Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by confirming the iTunes gift card code is active and region compatible. This matters because Apple locks codes by country. Next, install the Apple Music or Apple TV app from Google Play so you have an interface to redeem. Sign in with your Apple ID or create one if needed. Make sure the account's country matches the card. Once done, open the Apple app and go to your account or settings to find the redeem option. This starts the actual code entry process. You now enter the code. Go to your account settings in the Apple app and choose Redeem. Type the code carefully or scan it with the camera if the app offers that manual entry avoids OCR errors. Confirm the displayed currency and card value before accepting, because mismatched region or currency blocks funds. After redemption, make sure the balance is added to your Apple ID. This balance is used for subscriptions or purchases inside Apple services on Android. To finish, use your Apple ID balance to pay for Apple Music, iCloud, or content inside Apple apps on Android. Select Apple ID as the payment method at checkout. If redemption fails, first recheck region, expiration, spelling, and that your account country matches the card. Intermittent network or VPN can also block verification. If problems persist, take a photo of the card's back, note the serial and purchase receipt, and contact Apple support for resolution.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.